Hi everyone, I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be covering some sticker-ready summer items worth adding to your customization business for the season. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoyed this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Let's get started. The hottest season of the year may not have started yet, but it's always good to prepare yourself for any season ahead of time when it's full of potential projects. Sure, you can just sell the most essential summer apparels and drinkware, but there are definitely more specific applications that others may be seeking out for this season. In this video, I'll show a couple adhesive vinyl customizations that you may have not considered yet as summertime projects. Not only can they serve as quick summer bucks, but ultimately as clear demonstrations of your business's versatility beyond custom apparel. Let's start with the blank slate. Now, we're not too far off in saying that with this wooden panel. However, these serve as a perfect gateway into signage even on a small scale. While it may not be possible to press heat transfers onto certain blank wood signs by default, there are always the option to apply adhesive sticker vinyl like Caesar ECPSV onto them. And with ECPSV, you can create cut designs with a wide color gamut and variety of finishes suited for the season, similar to EasyWeed HTV. Now, we've covered plenty of customization projects using Caesar ECPSV, so we'll be concisely covering how it can be utilized to customize a wooden sign. Though, if you'd like to see these other projects for a more complete look, you can visit our YouTube channel and search ECPSV. Diving into customizing blank wood signs with the material, let's first measure and record the sign's size. You can also refer to the size as indicated by the sign's manufacturer. But with size in mind, you can start creating or importing, then scaling your design within your measurements. As a design tip, you can use a calligraphy font when adding text that you or another desire for the sign. It's also best to group layers of certain colors separately to choose which shapes to cut with your matching colors of adhesive vinyl. With your design prepared, save it and import it to your vinyl cutter software. We'll be cutting 2 colors of ECPSV using a Vinyl Systems Evo through its included Sign Master software. Before proceeding, always be sure that your cut settings have been adjusted for your material. For vinyl system cutters, we found these settings to be good base for most vinyl materials. Force to 80 to 120 grams, speed to 400 to 600 millimeters per second, and adjust the blade to where it sticks out about 1/5 of an inch from the holder. With your cut settings ready, be sure to disable any mirror cut settings. Then you may start cutting each of your adhesive vinyl layers. Once you've cut all of your design layers, weight and lift each one of its carrier sheets with ECPSV application tape. For optimal peeling, be sure to always smoothly peel the tape away from the corner rather than upwards. Lastly, apply the largest layer of your design to the wood sign first. Then gradually apply the smaller layers. This one blank wood panel has now become signage that's ready to be set in place. With its robust, outdoor-ready quality, Caesar ECPSV will be able to withstand the hot conditions of summer, thus displaying any cut designs with it consistently. And these signs don't need to be limited to home decor, as they're just as perfect to use as custom art pieces for shops or exhibits, as well as signage for outdoor special events or establishments. If you've never had the time for Etch customization work, Caesar offers a simple alternative through their ECPSV line. That alternative is ECPSV Etch, which offers a matte frosted appearance that closely matches standard etch solutions when applied. By cutting with this material, you'll be able to quickly cut and apply a logo on a window or a unique design on a glass drinkware. And since it's ECPSV, this Etch edition is also applicable to other materials like acrylic or similar plastics, ceramics, and opaque ones such as wood and metal. Speaking of drinkware, if you're preparing custom items for a dinner party, wedding night, or similar event, custom wine glasses with ECPSV Etch just might be what you're looking for. For applying a subtle version of that event's title or logo onto a few wine glasses, they can make for drinkware that feels more stylish and personal than the typical glass. But before cutting your wine glass design, of course, be sure to measure and record the area you'd like to customize on them first. Tape measure will work best here if you intend on applying a particularly wide design onto these items. Next is to prepare your designs within your wine glass measurements. As you're cutting the scaled down design with ECPSV, be sure that your design's level of detail is to a moderate degree where it won't be too difficult to weed. With your design ready, save, import, and cut it through your vinyl cutter software. You can use the same cut settings as standard ECPSV for this material, allowing for the same vinyl system settings from before to stay. With the design now cut, weed and lift it out with ECPSV application tape. Then apply it to your wine glass. As these items tend to be more rounded, you can always refer to the tape's grid lines as you align your cut design to it. After squeegeeing and peeling the tape off, you've now customized the wine glass with ECPSV Etch. While this material is great for glass or acrylic drinkware for any occasion, it's also well suited for particularly popular party seasons as summer. If you're interested in sharing your adhesive vinyl and/or summertime projects with us, alongside an emerging community of customization enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. But to learn more about Caesar ECPSV and other vinyl materials, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. I'm Marisol with Heat Press Nation, and have a great day.